Hello guys, in this video I will discuss different ways to create a string, and there are only two ways to create any string in the Java. So um, first way is using literals, like we call it string literals. So how to create a string literal in Java? Okay, so in Java we have two types, right? One is a string literal. Okay, there is another way, using new keyword also we can create the string. So let's first discuss string literal in detail. So string literal in Java, we we can just create a string literal in this way. We can give string, which is type, and name. In double quotes we can give some name. Okay, so this is one string literal. This is a literal string literal. Okay, so what is string literal means? Literal, if you search in the a dictionary, literal means it is constant. Okay, so string literal means string constant. Okay, so what do you mean by string constant? Basically it means that once you create, you cannot change it. That is what a string literal. Okay, so when JVM processes this particular instruction, so internally what happens, like what JVM will do. Okay, so that we will understand. So there is a heap memory. Okay, there is a heap memory. Imagine this is a heap memory. Okay, so inside heap there is a string constant pool. Okay, this I will call it as a string pool. You can call string pool or string constant pool, both are the same thing. Okay, so whenever JVM takes this particular instruction, string name equal to Rama, so what it will do, it will check in the string constant pool first. Okay, so if let me erase this. If this particular string is not present in the constant pool, what happens? JVM creates one string object inside the string pool. Okay, with the value Rama, and imagine its reference is some triple one, and this reference is stored here in the name variable. Okay, so you may think that what is the speciality of string literals. Okay, so that speciality comes next. So I'm explaining that as well. So real magic happens when strings are duplicate. Okay, that means suppose there is a name equal to Rama, and imagine there is another string. Okay, like variable name is first name. Yeah, so there is another string and variable name is first name. Okay, so here string is same, like same character. Okay, same characters. So in this case, when it is same string, see here string is same. Okay, if you compare these two strings, there is no difference, right? So if string executes this instruction first, that time like there is no string present with this characters like Rama in the string pool. So JVM creates a new string and it keeps that string in the string pool. Okay, so next time when it encounters similar similar string Rama, what it will do, it will first check this whether this particular string is present in the string pool or not. Yes, it is present. In that case, it won't create a new string object. Instead of that, it just returns this particular reference to this first name variable. So this way JVM minimizes or you can say optimizes optimization happens for memory allocation. So it won't create two memory objects to store the same string. It stores in a single object, and it will give the reference to both the variables. So this is why we use a string pool. So when you have a situation where you need to store similar strings and you don't want waste memory, you want to efficiently use the memory, that time you must use string literals. Okay, now let's see how string literals stored in the string pool. Like basically I want to explain what is string pool. Okay, so many people are wherever you see people explain like string literals are stored in string pools, right? So what you really think string pool could be. Okay, so in Java, if you open core classes, okay, so there you see string pool is nothing but a concurrent hash map. So if you open a string pool class in the Java, any JDK version of latest, like after any, you can open any version of JDK class. So it has a string pool class. So if you open that, there you will see concurrent hash map with this kind of a declaration. Okay, so this is the data structure which acts as string pool. Okay, so let's understand what is this string, what it will store here. This is nothing but a key, right? This is key. So what is the string that is concurrent hash map storing it as a key? So basically, if you see in here, this particular Rama is there, no? This will act as a key. Okay, this is key. Okay, so in the concurrent hash map, whenever JVM creates string object, it creates string object and it keeps that string object as a key in the concurrent hash map. Then what is long here? Long here is nothing but a atomic long. So this atomic long, initially its value is, suppose if you take atomic long equal to x, it will be like this: atomic long value 1. Okay, so initial value of atomic long is 1. So basically when you create a string literal, if it is the first string literal on concurrent hash map or your string pool, it will have the reference 1 in the reference variable. So what is your reference variable here? Name, if you see, name is a reference variable. Okay, this string RAMA, Rama, is your string. So this will act as your key. Okay, here also I have written. So this will act as your key, and the first atomic long value 1 will be returned to this particular variable. Okay, so next time if there is any string with the similar characters. So it will check in the concurrent hash map. Okay, it will check in the concurrent hash map in this hash map. If it is present already, then it will return the long value. So you generally know, right, how we will do, get operation on the map. Suppose if it is a map variable I am taking, so map dot we will do get whatever string you pass, that string value. Suppose it is Rama. Okay, so what it will return? Long value, which is atomic. Okay, you can let me write atomic also. Okay, atomic long value, some long value, right? So this value will be returned. So here first time we don't have this string on the string pool. So it creates a string object and it keeps in the concurrent hash map as a key, and one atomic long 1 as a value, and 1 will be returned to name variable, this variable. Okay, next time when there is a similar string, okay, this string, there is a similar string. So this string, when JVM process starts executing this particular instruction, it will check in the concurrent hash map, do you have this particular string in the concurrent hash map or not. It will ask a concurrent hash map, and if yes, then it will this particular long value will be 1 here, right? So this 1 will be returned to the variable first name. Okay, this is how the string pool is implemented. So if I have to conclude, string literal is nothing but a constant, string constant, and you can create string constant by using string variable name equals to, in double quotes you can give characters which form the string. So this is nothing but a string literal declaration or a string literal creation process in Java. And once you do that, JVM will create the string and keeps that string in the string pool if not present. If it is already present, it will return the reference. Okay, so you have to remember, your string pool is nothing but your concurrent hash map. Okay, string pool is nothing but an object in heap memory, and what is that object? Concurrent hash map. So concurrent hash map key value is nothing but a string and long. Whatever the string value you are using during your string literal creation, that string acts as a key in the concurrent hash map.
It's 4 o'clock.
And whatever the the atomic long value will act as a value in this map. Okay, so your reference, what you store in the variables, string literal variables, is nothing but a atomic long value. Okay, that's all about string literals. I'm now showing demo like how string literals works. It is maybe most of the people already know, but still I want to show. So see, this is one string literal, this is one string literal. So when JVM processes this, so this particular string is not present on string pool, so it will create a new string and it will create atomic, it will store with atomic long value 1. Okay, second time when it encounters the same string, what it will do, it will check the concurrent hash map. Are you there? It will give this string and it will ask concurrent hash map, is this string present within you? So definitely it is present. So it will return long value 1, and that long value will be stored here. So both the variables are having the similar reference. So here what I'm doing, I'm comparing the references. If references are same, then it will be true. If references are different, it will be false. So remember one thing, to compare the references, we use this particular symbol, equals, not equals method. So let me run and show this. See, this is true. Suppose imagine these two strings are different, they are not same. So if I change one of the string, so now both are create, both the string literals are created in string pool, but thing is both strings are different. So that is why now answer should be false. See, that's all about string literals. Thanks for watching. If this video is making sense, please like and share, subscribe.